Hello students, today we're going to talk about the future tense in Spanish. We already know how to speak in the future tense. You've learned it in Spanish 1, where you use a form of ir plus a plus an infinitive. So vamos a estudiar, vamos a ir al club de español esta noche, vamos a bailar. All of those are examples. Our forms of ir are voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. Vas, va, vamos, vais, no accent because it's an irregular, and van. Those are our 6 forms of present tense ir. We can also use the present tense to show future, something that you will do, if you put the word mañana in front of it. So mañana compramos un carro. We can also use the future tense to express conjecture or probability, even about present events. In this way, the future may be translated as I wonder, I bet, there must, it may be, might, and probably. It can also translate to will in English. There are some examples on the next slide. For example, ¿Qué hora será? I wonder what time it is. Ya serán las 8 de la noche. It must be 8 o'clock at night. Simply using the future tense gives it that meaning. ¿Lloverá hoy? Do you think that it will rain later today? Or probablemente tendremos un poco de sol. It will probably be a little sunny. When we do the formal future tense, all verbs have the same set of endings, which you'll see below, the I, as, a, hemos, eis, and an. So ER, AR, and IR verbs all share the same set of endings. This is different because we keep the infinitive and we simply add the ending. So if we're going to use the verb hablar, our yo form would look like this. Hablaré with the accent. The to form, hablar, as, with an accent, etc. So please try hablar, volver, and escribir on your notes. Remember to keep the AR, ER, or IR. You'll see the 6 forms of hablar underneath. We have hablaré, notice our future tense endings, hablarás, hablará, hablaremos, hablaréis, and hablarán. So we've taken the infinitive and we've added the ending directly to it. Same with volver. All AR, ER, and IR verbs are treated the same. You'll notice that they have their ending attached to the verb. So we get volveré, volverás, volverá, volveremos, volveréis, and volverán. And same for the verb escribir. Escribiré, escribirás, escribirá, escribiremos, escribiréis, and escribirán. Some verbs are irregular in the future tense. For the irregular verbs, we take the new stem and we add the future endings. Here come the stems. When we talk about irregulars, there are 3 groups of irregulars. There are some verbs that are completely irregular, and hacer and decir fall into that category. So if you're going to use hacer, you would take H-A-R, and for the yo form, you would add your E with an accent. If you wanted the to form, it would be harás with an accent. Same for decir. This is where we would get diré, dirás, diremos, etc. So in that first group, hacer and decir. Decir means to say or to tell. I notice that I forgot to put that in there. The second group that we talk about is our drop E. So if you look at caber, you'll notice that they simply drop the E out of the ending. Same for saber, querer, and poder. So for these, you simply drop the E, and then you add your future tense ending. So we get something that looks like cabré, cabrás, cabra, etc. For the third group, we have the group that I call drop E, add D. So if we look at valer, we've taken out that E and a D has taken its place. Same with poner, and salir, and tener, and poder. So you simply add your future tense endings to the end of that verb, And it changes salir from to go out to I will go out, saldré. In the future tense, we have a verb that is called haber, and we use haber in the present tense for I. There is or there are. Every once in a while you run into the need to use it in the future, and the future tense would be habrá. That is it. Please go on and do your homework. You'll see future tense number 1 on Moodle for you to practice. If you are getting things wrong, you probably are taking the AR, ER, or IR off. Remember to keep the AR, ER, and IR. Thank you. Bye.